So similarly in our life, love is most important. If we do not have love, and all money, all assets, positions, what it can do, what it can help us. That's why it is said, you can buy a clock, but you cannot buy time. You can buy blood, but you cannot buy life. You can buy sex, but you cannot buy love. So in this way, we can buy so many things in this life, but actually speaking, we can't buy the reality. We can't buy actually the most needed thing in our life. One of that thing is love. Most of the people in this world, they commit suicide not because of lack of food or lack of money. It is because of heartbreaks. So the statistics say how people in every 10 minutes, there are about 10 to 15 suicides happens in the entire world. So by the time we began our talk, there are already 10 to 20 people who have committed suicide. So generally, if you see some suicide notes, you don't see suicide notes where people write suicide note saying, I am committing suicide because I don't have food today. I am committing suicide because I didn't get chapatis today. Or you don't see, I am committing suicide because I got chapati but I didn't get sabji today. So we don't see any suicide notes like that. But most of the suicide notes are because of lack of heartbreaks. Now, our spiritual relationship with God depends on how is our relationship with individual around us. Many people may claim that I am very spiritual, I am connected to God, but we need to check how is their dealing with the local people around them. If I cannot deal well with 10 people who are around me, how can I have a very good relationship with God, who is the supreme personality of Godhead? So our spiritual growth also depends on our independent life where we deal with people around us. Now let us discuss something about Vali and Sugriva. These are the two famous brothers from Ramayana, and some information about Vali and Sugriva. Vali and Sugriva, they belong to the species called Vanaras. They are celestial apes. They are extremely powerful than humans, and as per hierarchy, Vanaras are greater than humans. Some of us we may be thinking, so Vanaras means they are lower than us. No, Vanaras are greater beings than us. Etymologically, there are three meanings for Vanaras. Number one, Va plus Nara is equal to, whether is it a man? Va Nara is asking question, is it a Nara or not Nara, meaning a man or something else, that is Va Nara. Second meaning is Vana plus Nara, one who belongs to forest, Vanara. And the third meaning is Vana plus Nara, that is a forest man, a man who belongs to forest is also known as Vanara. Now it is a very important story which we are going to discuss and analyze about and learn a lot of lessons from this story. So now we will discuss about a great Mayavi demon who comes in the outskirts of Kishkinda and calls from the top of his voice, "Hey Vali, are you ready to fight?" And he calls for the combat. And Vali and Sugriva, they belong to the Kshatriya categories. If someone calls them, they can't sit idle. They want to come out and fight with that person. But when Vali and Sugriva hears this noise, hears this sound that somebody is calling for combat, for fight, there was a question mark. Because in Ramayana, it is very clear that it was Vali who was the most powerful personality in the Ramayana. Even Ravan could not fight against Vali. Vali was so powerful, and Vali's wife, she explains to Vali that in this world there is no one who can fight against you. Moreover, there is nobody who has courage to come and call you directly for a fight, for a combat. But if somebody is calling, means this is not an actual person, definitely there is some trick or some flaw. Please be very careful. And Vali and Sugriva, they think about it, but Vali says, nothing doing. I am going and I am going to fight and kill this person, whoever he may be. I am going to fight against him. After Vali comes out of his kingdom and looks at this Mayavi demon and plans what I should do, and what he will do, what happens, we will see in the next episode. Thank you very much.